Hello and welcome to our Six Figure Families website. My name is David Bevitt.
And my name is Dee Dee Baker. We live in a very lovely little town near Seattle called North Bend, Washington.
A couple years ago, we were feeling very insecure about the economy, our jobs, and how they were going to affect our retirement savings.
At that time, we stumbled upon a wonderful home-based business opportunity that integrated our focus on personal development and living the lifestyle we always desired.
Owning our own business freed us from the corporate rat race and provided us the flexibility to run our company from laptops and cell phones anywhere in the world our journey takes us.
We are especially grateful for the time it's given us back with our families and to be fully present in our 3 grandchildren's lives, something we clearly could not do working a 60-hour work week.
We've now joined forces with other successful elite leaders in the industry and formed a strong alliance.
Together, we are focused in assisting new team members to quickly achieve their personal and financial goals.
The Six Figure Families collaboration offers one-on-one mentorship and training, which is second to none.
We look forward to talking with you soon. Until then, make it a great day. You deserve it.